Hello, welcome to this wellness channel. Have you ever stopped in the middle of a busy day and felt a deep longing for something you couldn't name? What if the peace you're searching for isn't found in more noise, but in the silence beneath it? From the moment we wake up, we're surrounded by a symphony of noise. We've become so accustomed to constant stimulation that we've forgotten what true quiet feels like. This constant noise creates stress, exhaustion, and disconnection from ourselves. We often think of silence as emptiness, a void to be filled. But true silence is presence. It's a rich, fertile ground, the spaciousness where the seeds of healing can finally take root and begin to grow. When we intentionally invite silence into our lives, we discover it's not empty at all. It's full of profound peace, a newfound clarity that cuts through confusion, and a deep, abiding calm that settles the soul. In this quiet space, the external noise fades. We can finally hear our own heartbeat, feel our own breath, and reconnect with the simple, profound miracle of being alive in this very moment. You don't need to retreat to a monastery. Start small, right where you are. Before reaching for your phone, pause for 3 mindful breaths. This simple act allows you to begin your day with intention, not reaction. Turn off the radio during your commute. Instead of filling the space with noise, let the world in. Notice the subtle details you usually miss. The light through the trees, the sky. Reconnect with the gentle rhythm of your own breathing. Transform routine activities into moments of presence. Drink your morning tea without multitasking. Feel the warmth of the mug, notice the steam, and truly taste each sip. Just be with your tea, fully inhabiting this quiet moment. When stress hits, silence is your reset button. It's an immediate refuge. 1 minute of conscious breathing interrupts the cycle of anxiety, creating a vital pause between a trigger and your reaction. In that quiet, feel your shoulders drop and your hands unclench. Watch your body naturally return to balance as the imaginary tigers of modern stress disappear. This is your inherent power, accessible anytime. Regular moments of silence don't just reduce stress, they restore your energy on a deep level. In the quiet, your nervous system recalibrates, moving from chronic alert to a state of rest. This is where true healing begins. You can gently tend to emotional wounds, not by forcing them away, but by holding them in compassionate awareness. This practice opens your heart, fostering a deeper, authentic connection with your true self. As you cultivate this inner stillness, you become a source of peace for yourself and those around you. Your calm presence can de-escalate tension. Your thoughtful responses, born from reflection rather than reaction, can soothe others. You embody a centered tranquility that ripples outward, a quiet strength that positively influences your relationships and your community. This moment is your invitation. Today, give yourself the gift of just 5 minutes of silence. It doesn't require a special cushion or a silent retreat. It can be right here, right now. The peace you're seeking isn't something you need to acquire. It's already within you, waiting patiently to be uncovered in the gentle embrace of silence. So take that first step. Don't underestimate the power of this simple act. Plant this seed of stillness today. With daily nurturing, it will grow into a beautiful tree of peace within you, a sanctuary you can return to anytime. Its roots will ground you in the present, its branches offering clarity and perspective. If this message resonated, please like this video and subscribe to join our community's journey. Share in the comments. When will you take your first moment of silence today? Reading your intentions inspires us all. Your journey to inner peace starts now. Remember, the stillness you seek is always available. It's just one conscious breath away. Please like, follow, and subscribe for more wellness content.